I came with a good news as well, a way forward, because that is all that we are looking forward to be seeing. Something added to our growth. Yes, something has added based on the fundraising. The fundraising has been divided to 2 weeks for 2 weeks, first 2 weeks I believe for the federal and the other 2 weeks for the state. Why this development was to make sure that these 40 states, that their citizens, they are anywhere that you are developing your own state. It will help to, like, when anybody that is donating, it is going straight to your own state. It will be of good help, because it will help to know the states that are doing well and those ones that are not doing well. And not only that, it will help to make easy verification to people that even if they don't have, to know which state is lagging behind, if there is need for help. But for now, I believe that is to know how every state is how they are functioning, and how their citizens are donating to help their state. I believe that is the situation of now. Then the other 2 weeks will be for the federal. There is in general. So there are other things that are going on. This time, that is the side of the areas where people needed to be replaced, because if there are any office that is not with government, and you can't leave it just like that. You need to replace people to make things to run, to make the movement to be running smoothly. So that is the situation as of now. Nothing much, but as you are like, is there nothing that is going on? Things are going on. Just that, I have been saying it won't be easy, but still is working. For now, all those, if you go to like our DPM page in Space, we see that most of the posts is people that are being replaced. Change of this rep, or this one, change of people. All these things is after we now have a full house and with their representatives. I believe that things will begin to run as usual, normal as it used to be before. So, and the other things will begin to function, and all those news you want to be hearing. I believe that after all this replacement, that you begin to will enter to another stage, because everybody needed to be carried along. That is the situation as of today. I believe other things might be going that we have not known, but anyone that they brought out will bring it to the public. That is how it is as of now. So all these people that are being replaced, with time, everything will normalize, and there is no other thing that way forward to be watching to see the way forward. And I believe that other things will begin to be coming out, so that people will know that this is not just a online contrast. Some people will call it. Yes, we are making things to happen online, but it is working in reality. So I believe that with time, other things will be coming up to show you that things are being, they are doing things, they are working, they are not like being careless of what they needed to be do. So maybe in this current this upcoming fundraising, they might clear other things that needed to be known. So anytime that you want to understand it better, you have the chances of going to Space, or where the Zoom, to join, and maybe if there is room for questions and other things, you ask it from there. Not only that, other places, other individual that have posts in this government, you need to be following them, especially the information ministers. There is a post that I made the post that people should follow them. Those ones, any news that they bring out, then you pick it from there to know what is going on. We might not tell you everything or how it is, but when you go by yourself, you can understand it better. I believe even sometimes they are coming to address our people, the nation. The last time it was defense minister, and he answered a lot of questions. So if you want to know exactly what is going on, you needed to be in space. You needed to be in space and follow those that you need to follow, so that you'll be getting it. You will know whenever somebody is coming up to attend to people's questions. So that's just it for now. With time, we'll be bringing it up as it is coming. All I know is that even though that it seems as what is even going on, things are going on. What you don't know is bigger than you. It has been a statement from our PM, and it's still on. Once this spirit is still alive, we are going home. It will be as a miracle. That is the statement from our leader Nnamdi Kanu. It will be the last miracle on earth. Whether you believe it or not, you are seeing a lot of things happening, but it has not ended. After everything, after this rain, surely the sun is coming, and before you know it, it will be our nation, and our nation for life. Our nation with that you will stay with peace of mind. So that it is for now. With time, we'll be coming up to be bringing to you the way it is going. And that it is for now. Thank you so much. Till I come your way next time. Bye.